Good morning. So, in summary, we've been talking about the original cause of disease, toxin, and pragyaparad, avoiding our own intelligence, experience, and wisdom, and the three modes of nature, ignorance, passion, and goodness. And now we're going to start talking about the elements. The elements that make up this whole universe and make up our physical body, our mental, emotional body, are earth, water, fire, air, and ether or space. And then we have mind, we have intelligence or buddhi, we have ego, false ego, and we have consciousness. And then beyond that is Atma or the soul. So this is what makes us who we are. So we'll start with the earth. The earth element has many correspondences, and each element can become, as they say in Ayurveda, deranged. So the earth element is related to the first chakra, which is at the floor of the pelvis. It's related to the season, late summer. It's related to the spleen, the stomach, the pancreas, which is all related to digestion. And it's related to the emotion, worry, or sympathy, or thinking, the capacity to think. Too much thinking means worry, basically. So the earth element, when is healthy, helps us to be very grounded, helps us to be very present, helps us to be strong. So this is actually because it's related also to the muscles, the muscle tissue, the tissues of the body. And it's actually said in Ayurveda that when muscle tissue is healthy, then we will automatically become more confident. Now, it doesn't mean we have to become massive with muscles. It just means that when we use the muscles, and now even modern science is proving that when we squeeze the muscles, it secretes healthy neurotransmitters in our brain and our body that help us feel good, help us feel ultimately confident. So there are those that have very frail bodies that are extremely confident, but the reason they're confident, generally speaking, is because they've connected to something deeper inside themselves. But for most of us, we need to be physically active and use our muscles. So if you're lacking confidence, get some strength, get some exercise, move the muscles, squeeze the muscles, and that will actually increase your confidence. So grounding is very important. Touching your feet on the earth is so important. Since about 1960, since the invention of rubber soles, we've been disconnected from the earth. The earth emits negative ions. The atmosphere generally emits positive ions. And we're a battery. We're energy. We're electric. We're made up of prana, vital life energy, chi. It has an electrical quality to it. And when we're missing those negative ions, we become less distracted and we get caught up in all the frequencies going on around us, including all the wireless technologies, everything that's so abundant in the atmosphere, which emits positive ions. We want a lot of negative ions. So we need to touch the earth, go to the ocean, go to a river where it emits a lot of negative ions. It's very, very important. So that's the earth element. And tomorrow we'll be talking more about the water element. Have a great day.